This can get pretty annoying. This is called voice assistant or voiceover or talkback, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to be showing you how to get out of it, how to disable talkback on your Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Hello everyone, welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel, we do tech reviews and tutorials. So if you're new to the channel, I welcome you to subscribe. Alright, let's go right to the video now. Alright, so maybe you got into this mode by mistake and you're having trouble getting out, or you want to enable it. You'll be able to disable it or enable it with this method I'm going to show you. Once you're ready to turn this off, all you have to do is, with two fingers, swipe down from the top. Okay, you're going to select the setting icon up here and then double tap it. Settings. It's going to open up the settings. Here you're going to scroll around with two fingers. Scroll down to where you see accessibility. Here you're going to select it and double tap it. Here you're going to select vision, double tap it. And there is voice assistant. So you're going to select voice assistant, double tap it. And then here you're going to select on the switch here and turn it off. And then here it's going to ask you to confirm by selecting OK and double tap OK. There you go, voice assistant off. So it is now off. It is working normal now once again. So that's how you enable and disable voice assistant talkback on your Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it helped you out. If it did, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. So that's it for now. I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.